Graders, we're on Covering and Surrounding 2.3. Today's lesson starts on page 40. So it says, for each triangle in question A, draw a segment 6 centimeters long on a separate piece of grid paper. Use the segment as a base for the triangle. So you can see right here, it's a little hard to see, but you can see in your book on page 40 that they have grid paper and they have drawn a segment here that is 6 centimeters long. So what you're going to do is you're going to work your way through A 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Keep in mind that you're going to use the same 6 centimeters for each triangle that you use. So number 1 here mentions sketch a right triangle with a height of 4. So you're going to start out with your 6, figure out your height of 4, and then create that triangle. Then you're going to go on to number 2. You're going to sketch a different right triangle with a height of 4 centimeters. Keep in mind that base still needs to be 6. You're going to do the same thing for 3, 4, and 5. They give you different rules that you need to follow. Again, keep in mind that for all of these, each time you're drawing a segment that is 6 centimeters long. Then you're going to move on to B1 and B2. So you can either write these answers on your grid paper, or if you'd prefer to write them in your notebook, that's fine too. But B1 wants to know, what do these 4 triangles have in common? And B2, why do you think these 4 triangles can be called a triangle family? Once you're done with that, we move on to C1 and C2 here. Again, you're going to be using grid paper, and they give you some rules here to follow. So when you are done with that, go back to classroom, and it will tell you ACE problems for tomorrow that are due. Good luck.